What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. My name is Christian Lee. We're glad to have y'all here. And today, y'all, check out what I found. I was at my local Walmart, and of course I had to go to the fishing section, and I found this Rebel fishing kit, family fishing kit. So we got a little shore shiner right here, a little paddle tail with a spinner on top that you can take off or have on. And we got 3 different Neds. We got a hopper, a little cricket little dude, catacrawler, and then we got a creek crawl, perfect little tiny Ned crawl. And we got replacement plastics for all of them. And pretty cool on the inside here, it shows you a little diagram and multiple different ways that you could fish all these lures. If you don't really know what you're doing with these lures, it gives you kind of an idea where to start. Pretty cool kit. I think we can catch some good fish on this thing. Guys, and this thing was only $9.99 at Walmart and on Amazon as well. So really good price on this. So what y'all say we take this here Rebel fishing kit and we go get out on the water and see if we can catch some daggum fish. Y'all stick around, it's gonna be fun. All right, y'all, we're out here and our first runner-up is gonna be this little shore shiner. I'm gonna keep the blade on it, see how it does. Let's see if we can catch a fish. And y'all, today I'm using my Proficiency packet pole with a Royale Legend Cast King 1000 series on it. And I got 6-pound braid to 6-pound fluoro right now. Oh, what? No, y'all, he broke me off. Broke us off, and the problem is they only give us 1 jig head. So now if we want to use this, we're gonna have to use a jig head of our own. Guys, I think that was totally my fault. I think somehow I didn't have that knot tied right. I'm not gonna lie to you. Maybe he's a hungry enough fish. We can throw back in there and catch him again. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I think I knuckleheaded that knot. I got him to bite again. There we go. Oh, it's a good bass. Oh, we came off. Wow. Wow, guys, just like that. He was all the way at the boat. And he jumped off. Oof, 2 heartbreaking losses in a row. But I can say so far the shiner definitely will catch some fish. Will I? That's the real question. There we go. He came back for it. It's the same exact bass, I guarantee it. I guarantee that is the same exact spotted bass. Oh my gosh, we didn't miss him after all. There he is. Oh no, it's a largemouth, I think. Yeah, it's a largemouth, not a spotted. Nice little fat, healthy largemouth. He really wanted that snack because he came back in for it. Well, y'all, that's a confirmed caught on the shiner, on the shore shiner. Confirmed. Largemouth love it. Let's get him back. Okay, 1 species. I think with that knocked out, we have to try out the crawl. Wow, look at that guy. He looks pretty sweet, don't he? Man, I'll tell you what, I'd almost boil him up and eat him myself. Let's see if he'll catch a fish. Oh, got a fish. Got our first Ned fish. Check it out, y'all. We got a little spotted. I think he's a spotted. He is a spotted. Check it out, a little spotted on the crawl. Fat little dude. He was ready to eat. Let's get him out of here. All right, up next, we gotta try out the catacrawler. The catacrawler. Let's get her tied up. Check out that munchy little snack. That'll probably catch something good, I think. Let's find out. Oh, I had him on. I thought he came off. We almost had a largemouth on the catacrawler. He was so small, I set the hook and I thought he came off. And he was still there. Huge buffalo. I'm gonna stand up here on the bank, see if we can't catch one with the catacrawl. There we go. Rock bass. Yep. Rock bass. There you go. Rock bass on the caterpillar. It will catch. Just leave it right there. See what happens. Got one. Oh, he came off. Dang. That little sucker. Well, I guess we should switch lures and go to the cricket now. Oh, oh, oh my gosh. Guys, I decided to just throw in the crawl before I switch. Look at this massive shell cracker. Oh my gosh. All right, well, we gotta change our lure, get our challenge done. All right, we got our hopper tied up. Man, that looks good. A little cricket like that. If there's more of these types of fish in here, I think they'll crush it. Oh, fish on. We got another rock bass. I think it is. Another rock bass. Check them out, y'all. The hopper is certified. And there it is, y'all. The hopper with a rock bass. Cool. Let's get him back. Rock bass again. He didn't want it to come out the water. He didn't want it at first, but as soon as I started to reel it out the water, he had to have it. There we go, number 2 on the hopper. All right, well, we have successfully caught fish with every single plastic in there. But since we lost our willow blade, we're gonna try to just fish this Roadrunner with an underspin on it. It's kind of a small hook. I don't know. We'll give it a shot. Maybe we'll go get another and come back out here and just do that one last thing to make sure the kit is official. There's a good fish. What is it? Rock bass. Well, I thought it was a normal bass, but it's a rock bass. And we'll take it. Look at that, on the underspin. Check it out, you can put that plastic on just about any jig head and it's gonna catch fish. Fish on. Fish on. Good fish. Good fish. Oh yeah. Big old fat spotted. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at the gut on this guy. Guys, look at this tanky spotted. Just a huge gut on him. Get him back in the water. That's another one for the crawl. For the Rebel crawl. There we go. Good fish. Oh, really good fish. Come on. What do we got? What? A catfish? And he was not a really good fish. He was just flipped upside down. But we got a catfish on the crawl. How about that, y'all? We did not think we were fitting to catch no catfish. There we go. There's the kitty cat. Say romp, 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 romp. Go. Get him out of here. All right, y'all. We did it. We went and got another one. We needed the redemption. I felt like I needed to catch a fish on every single lure in that pack to do this video justice for y'all. So I made sure I went and got another one. And we're gonna try to catch a fish on this one too. Fish. We got our first fish on it. We got our first fish. Oh no, he threw our blade off. Oh, y'all. Well, if I could get him to stay still. Here's our fish. Our blade flew off of here, y'all. Look at that. What is that all about? Well, that ain't too good. Now we don't have a blade for our blade bait. Uh-oh. Well, let's put him back in. All right, y'all, we're back here at the house at the HQ. And let me say, I'm pretty impressed with the Rebel Live Flex. The thing about these Live Flexes is they're very similar to like a Z-Man Elastec. Like, look at that stretch. I think they're gonna last a good long while. And you look at this one I got on the jig head, look at that tail. Look at that, some insane stretch without breakage. I think if you put these on a really good Z-Man style bait holder, that these plastics will be really, really difficult for a fish to get off. I'm really impressed with them. I think they're a killer plastic. I gotta say, I think it's a killer deal. For $9.99 for the family fishing kit, you get some really awesome plastics that are gonna last a long time and are gonna catch you a ton of fish. So y'all go check it out, get you one, go catch some fish on it. Let me know what y'all catch. And as always, y'all, thanks for watching. If you like this, leave a like, leave a comment, and y'all make sure you subscribe if you wanna see more of this type of stuff. Y'all, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.